If you need a simple way to evenly distribute meetings across a team, Calendly Round Robin is one of the easiest tools to set up. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Calendly Round Robin so you can assign meetings automatically, save time, and make scheduling a lot more organized. And if this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's jump into it. First, sign into your Calendly account. Once you're in, you'll be looking at your Calendly dashboard where you can manage event types, availability, and scheduling links. To create a new setup, click Create, then choose Event Type. This is where you'll decide what kind of scheduling page you want to build for your team. Now, from the Event Type options, select Round Robin. This is the feature you want when you need meetings to rotate between different team members instead of going to just one person every time. It's especially useful for sales teams, support teams, onboarding calls, or any group that wants lead distribution to stay fair and automatic. After selecting Round Robin, Calendly will let you add the team members who will take turns hosting meetings. Go ahead and choose the people you want included in the rotation. These are the users. Calendly will assign based on the Round Robin rules, so make sure everyone you add is available and connected properly in your account. Next, enter the event name. This should be clear and easy to recognize, especially if you're creating multiple event types. Then set the duration of the meeting. For example, you might choose 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, or longer depending on the type of call you want to schedule. After that, choose the location. This could be a Zoom link, Google Meet, phone call, or another meeting location depending on your workflow. Once the basic setup is done, move on to the availability settings. This is where you control when people can actually book time with your team. You'll want to make sure the availability matches your team's working hours and doesn't overlap with other important meetings. If needed, you can also adjust routing settings so Calendly knows how to distribute meetings across the team more intelligently. Take a moment here to review everything carefully. Double-check the assigned team members, the event name, the meeting duration, the location, and the availability rules. A good setup here makes the whole process run smoothly later, and it helps avoid scheduling confusion for both you and your guests. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close. That will create your Round Robin event type and store all of your settings. After that, Calendly will generate a scheduling link that you can use anywhere you want. You can paste it on your website, share it in emails, send it in messages, or add it to your contact pages so people can book meetings directly. And that's really the power of Calendly Round Robin. Instead of manually deciding who gets each meeting, Calendly automatically rotates bookings across your team, helping you stay organized and making sure opportunities are shared fairly. It's a simple setup, but it can save a lot of time once it's running. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.